The Kaspa community developers are geniuses, and we're about to dive into it like we always do. We have two videos right here sent to me from a community member, Bijar, in my live stream. I do live streams, trying to do them daily, about one of the Kaspa community members, Kaspa Hype Man, speaking on Michael Sutton and his brilliance and how he's working on the parameterless functionality of Dag-Knight and his resolve and determination to make the impossible possible. Caspians, if this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family. Let's take over the space together.
Michael Sutton came up with this concept of parameterless protocols. It's very complicated from what I understand. So in my cat brain, how I picture it is like right now, like Bitcoin and all the coins, even Kaspa right now, they have this assumed, this just in case waiting time, like a timeout. We gotta hang out for a couple minutes or at least several seconds. Like even for Kaspa right now, it's 18 seconds. So that's what all the projects in the whole world have right now, this just in case thing. You know, just in case there's some internet problem or some weird thing that's making them not find out about the next blocks that just came out, we're just gonna wait, you know, this long time, just in case, right? So
Yo, this is so interesting. I'm so sucked in, guys. Normally I pause and give some commentary along the way, but this is super interesting.
Michael Sutton had this idea. What if we didn't wait just in case? What if we assumed that there is no problem and everybody hears about it right away? And then we build a sensing mechanism where we monitor the network and we look for delays. And then if we begin to sense delays in some problem like internet or some problem somewhere in some part of the world, or then we start to scale in a little bit of a wait. And then if the problem gets worse, we can put a little bit more temporary waiting time. And then when the problem goes away, we remove the waiting time. So that's what Dag-Knight is. And nobody else ever thought anything like this.
Guys, I'm telling you, the technology behind this project, man, we've never seen anything like it in this space in a long time. This is true innovation right here, man. And again, these are community developers, right? These aren't people that have like any, you know, ton of tokens. You know, they don't have no ton of coins, that Kaspa coins or something set aside for them to, you know, work on the project. No pre-mine for cash, no ICO, no venture capitalists, none of that. These are hard working, determined people that just wants to see technology you know, grow, right? Go beyond its previous levels, go beyond its previous expectations, you know, advancing things even further, you know. And that's what we're seeing with Kaspa, man. Remember, Kaspa was created to do what Bitcoin was originally created for, to be electronic cash, a peer-to-peer electronic payment system. Now that Bitcoin, we see that's not possible for Bitcoin. Now people see Bitcoin as a store value project, right? Like digital gold, not a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. So who could fill the gap with that? Not Ethereum, because even Ethereum has scalability issues. To send and receive Ethereum, to do transactions through Ethereum are expensive still, even after the merge, right? What was the point of the merge? I don't know. You know, what was the point of ETH 2.0? I don't know, because it's still expensive. You're not gonna see that with Kaspa, man. You're not gonna see that. And check out the next video right here.
To give you an idea how complicated it is. Okay, he thought of the idea 3 years ago, and it was said to be, like, in the research papers in the world of computer science, what they call an impossibility. Like, they said it's impossible, okay? So all the smartest people in the world that thought about it said, it's impossible to do this.
Freaking amazing, man. It's a freaking amazing stuff right here.
but he thought maybe it's not impossible. And then they got almost all the way there. Thought about it, wrote down, formulas and stuff on paper for 2.5 years, thinking about how they can do it. They got almost the whole thing together. There was one piece of the puzzle missing, and he went over it and over and over it, and he almost had he had to pause. He was thinking, I'm spending more and more time on this, and it may actually be an impossibility. Maybe they were right. So he had to stop and then focus on something else, which happened to be Rust programming language, for a couple months. And then all of a sudden, one day, out of the universe, the answer came. And they got it, and they proved it on paper that it's possible. So in a nutshell, they say they're confident that it's pretty much the largest breakthrough advance in distributed computing and distributed systems since 2008 when Bitcoin came out.
That is mind-blowing. Oh my god. That is mind-blowing. What the heck? What? Good man.
And they got it, and they proved it on paper that it's possible. So, in a nutshell, they say they're confident that it's pretty much the largest breakthrough advance in distributed computing and distributed systems since 2008 when Bitcoin came out.
Since 2008, when Bitcoin was created. Bitcoin digital gold, Kaspa digital silver. And we can see Rusty Cas. It's right there. It's right around the corner, man. Absolutely amazing stuff, man. People are gonna fade this and they're gonna regret it. Constantine Sebio, Cas trapping greedy bears before price discovery. We have a nice little falling wedge happening for Cas. We hit that support trend line and then boom. Straight up to what his target is. Let me zoom in for you guys to see, man. Look at this. Straight up to 17 cents from here. Patience is a virtue, man. Crypto Grad. Night offers enhanced security compared to current permissionless protocols. Network disruptions do not disrupt consensus since they don't breach the necessary assumptions for its proper functioning. Look at right here. This is night, right? So it's DAG night and this is night and how it actually works. So let's zoom in and see what we got here. Night optimization illustrated. The figures showed us a fixed honest DAG on the left alongside an attacker on the right. The attacker's Byzantine fraction grows from A to equals 0.05 in 1A to A equals 0.15 in 1C. The algorithm finds a K cluster of minimum width sufficient to cover at least 50% of the DAG, thereby outweighing the minority attacker. So this is how Cas maintains its security with Night. Awesome stuff, man. Wow. Night offers enhanced security compared to current permissionless protocols. Network disruptions do not disrupt consensus since they don't breach the necessary assumptions for its proper functioning. And a lot of this stuff, man, I would say I'm a smart guy. I would say I'm kind of smart, but a lot of this stuff is beyond me. It's beyond my intelligence, man. But in layman's terms, just know with Night, the security that we see in proof of work or crypto in general, Night is a leagues beyond that in security, which is freaking amazing, man. Right here from Kaspa Insider, what we love to see. Kaspa accepted here at a technical store. Awesome stuff. Whoa. It's gonna start at the small stores and it's gonna get into the big stores before we know it, man. This is super bullish. Nice spot from Kaspa Insider. From Jim Skibum, I see people saying daily closes below previous high invalidate near-term higher moves. Not true. If you take 5 minutes to look at other charts, this is easily debunked. See CAS ADA below. ADA last cycle had many daily closes below prior all-time high before breaking out. Markets are fluid and no chart is exactly the same. Some traders like to use the word confirm to sound smart. I think as though something is 100% sure thing. These are the people who say they will buy BTC above 32K because it's confirmed to be bullish now, and then chicken out when it happens in post and peer post and can't have to wait for lower. Oh my gosh. Cass still holding that trend line, man. Again, Jim Ski Bum sticking to the fractal, the Cardano fractal, man. I really truly believe we could see the Cardano fractal play out for Cass, man. I think that's possible when, you know, everyone's mindset is pretty much aligned, especially in crypto. You see the impossible happen. GF Burke, if anyone missed out on one key Cass hardware last time, this is the second one coming. Tangent be ready. I know Kaspa Silver is a 10% offer code when it rolls, should be listed soon. Shout out to Burke, he be tuning into the live streams. Kaspa plus one key integrations, and then we have the cards, and the voting should end today, which we already checked out as well. Caspians, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate all the support. You know, can't thank you guys enough. Sincerely appreciate all of you guys. If you enjoyed, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family, tune into the live streams, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.